Right, come on.
Collect your creature.
I'm a man on a mission. While the weather's good, I'm outside.
Oh, look at waggy tail.
He's suddenly like, oh, this is better. He's been held hostage down here. He's not been enjoying it at all. I'm just double checking that we've done day. Yes, so day 23. There it is. Oh, hello. We've got to say.
Hello.
We've not done the thing.
Hello.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Merry Vlogmas!
Yeah.
I wondered how long his streak would last. Down the bottom there.
Ooh.
Oh, he is excited. Look at the little happy tail.
Are you ready?
Are you ready, Kai? Is it ones that you like? Now all I can see is the top of your head, Mum. He's like, oh no, I don't like those ones. Oh, he's going to give it a try. Hang on.
They're the big ones.
Oh, he does like those ones.
It does like those.
Just makes a giant mess. I'm so sorry about the roller coaster camera. we have no clue about Steadicam. Well, he's not making that much of a mess. Oh, I was at the wrong angle, having just said that. There is mess being made.
No, he's clearing it up.
Okay, I'm just getting slobber instead. Lovely, lovely. Oh, look, there's day 23. Do I have a day 25 on this? I don't think I do. Kai, you're the only one that gets a day 25.
Oh, does he?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
It's the really big one.
Oh.
He's like, excuse me, why are my treats over there and I am over here? Day 23. I wasn't even in shot then. Oh, I have one job. What do I have today? Salted caramel and clementine. I enjoyed this one very, very much, which is good.
Good.
Yay.
Yes.
So, Dad had my 70% chocolate the other day. Did you enjoy it?
I did very much.
Yes. And I had the Black Forest Gatto, and then I had the salted caramel this morning. I saved it till this morning, and I'm afraid I didn't film a taste test. I had a very late night last night getting the piping tutorial and mini tutorials up. I uploaded
I
4.
hope everybody watches it.
I mean, one of them is 2 hours long, so I totally understand if you don't, because like Christmas and busy, but I'm so glad that stupid thing is finished. And by the end of it, I was thoroughly sick of the sound of my own voice. So fingers crossed I've got everything cross-referenced, linked incorrectly. But if you do find any flubs or errors, please let me know in the comments, maybe after Christmas. And I will try and readjust them. Kai's just walking over the calendar now. Fabulous. But yes, it's done. And I'm so pleased that it's done. Yay. The video that got uploaded, the 2-hour one with 100 gigabytes. You're a scene stealer, young man. You are a scene stealer. You can see his treats right there. He wants his treats.
I think I better let him have his treats. Yeah.
Oh, that's too funny. Okay.
I have a feeling, you know that red balloon we spoke about?
Yes. Do we need it today?
I have a feeling.
Okay.
Because if you look on here, insert the airbag.
Oh, okay. Are we on the right day again?
23rd of December, you said?
Yeah, we done the 22nd.
No, you didn't.
Yes, we did.
The 22nd, the 23rd, I said.
Yes, I know. I'm trying to refresh in the brain area. There's the 23rd.
Yeah. And they're next to each other.
Yes.
The finale.
Yeah, but the balloon, I can't remember where the balloon was.
The
We'll
balloon
find
was
it.
down here.
Yeah. Oh
I
dear.
dare say if you shake it, it will go up there.
Who knows what we'll find where.
Okay.
Anyway, ready. Is Klaus eating or asleep?
Neither.
Oh, shocking.
No, he's worried.
Oh no. Oh,
Yeah.
please continue.
Yes. Elfin thanks you profusely for the beautifully tied gift, then leans over conspiratorially.
Well, I don't want to incriminate anyone without reason,
She says,
but when I flew past the gas station earlier, there was a sleigh parked in front of it.
Klaus gives you a look. That rabbit! You say at the same time. I knew it! Yells Klaus, and furiously revs up the spacecraft. He pushes your piece of space junk as hard as he can and races around the track like a madman. The Yeti on the boiler and the rabbit on his sleigh appear in front of you. There they are, over there.
see
Yeah.
them.
They zip around the rings of a large planet. This is the last part of the racetrack, Klaus shouts, and also heads towards the rings. Once there, a strong pull seems to affect your spaceship. You're getting faster with every second, and you're racing in circles around the planet. The same thing is happening to your competitors. At some point, the speed becomes too much for the Yeti, and with a hiss, it throws him off track.
I'm out.
He calls to you as he flies away. Soon, only one of your competitors is visible. Now it's between him and us, growls Klaus, fixing his gaze on the flapping ears of the rabbit who is racing in front of you. The rotations are getting tighter and tighter. The speed is breathtaking. The entire spaceship creaks and shakes more and more violently. Okay, things are getting really tricky now, Klaus calls from the front and throws you a rubber object.
What is this, Klaus?
You ask as you rattle around in your seat. A DIY airbag, Klaus shouts. Unfortunately, these things were not previously installed as standard, so passengers have to take care of them themselves. Better safe than sorry. As you frantically try to get the DIY airbag ready for use, a vortex drags you down to the surface of the planet.
Row.
Now open number 23.
Okay, let me just 23. There's the balloon! Oh, there's more than one.
Yeah. Well, we know where one of them is.
Uh-huh.
No card.
Okay. Oh, there's a big vortex in there.
Yeah. Now, open the slot. So that means you've got to open this, which we saw.
We did. Hang on, let me just... Yes, we have destructions.
Yeah. Now,
We have
insert
slot.
the airbag and hold it firmly. That's going to be interesting.
Do you think they gave us 2 balloons in case we broke things?
I think, yeah, more than one attempt might be required.
Do we have to blow into it now?
It's not going to be me. Activate airflow and fill the airbag until further action is required. Pay attention to your surroundings.
Oh, do you think something's going to pop out that side then?
I don't know.
I'm not sure that we should be filming. Oh, I never stopped filming apparently.
So we're in the right place.
Okay, I'm not sure that they need to see this, but
No.
you're cameraman now.
I need to see this.
Okay, we can do this. We can do this.
Oh,
Oh yeah, look!
oh. And clues start to appear.
The ringed planet tears in half when you impact. Has that happened? No. Well, maybe that's about time you made that happen. Just be brave.
Well, we'll get bigger than that. Look at it, Jane.
Oh, that
So,
one?
very specific planet that tears in two.
Ringed planet. I think it's that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, it's parting that from that.
Okay. Do you want to feel? Handy sewing room tweezers. Oh, there we go.
Can you get my fingers in there?
Destruction. I can't believe I broke the box. Is door 23 behind it?
Door 24.
Door 24, yes, we're in door 23. Good grief, my brain. I mean, they can't make it too easy because otherwise it will be obvious that something happens there, but...
That's a bit bizarre.
Have you discovered something? Ah, yes.
Yeah, stop. Do not open. Please read sheet of 24. Can you see that?
Yes. At least we've gotten to door 24.
Yeah.
Cool. I like that one. Yeah, tomorrow that'll be it. But that's for tomorrow.
Yeah.
He's pre-preparing. Stop it.
Sorry.
You're engrossed in the story.
Oh, it's a man in a red coat.
Oh, shocking.
Yeah.
We didn't see that.
What's he up to?
Oh,
You know why he's in a red coat, do you?
why?
It's thanks to Coca-Cola. It's
Is it
true.
really? Did it used to be
Father
green?
Christmas always used to wear a green coat.
Ah.
But the mighty Coca-Cola back in the day wanted it to be red for their advertising purposes. It became red. That's fact.
Yeah. Did you know that every single country in the world's top selling drink is Coca-Cola except for one? Do you know which country it is? Okay, say that again, Mum.
England.
No.
Out of Mongolia.
Nope. Nope.
Japan.
Nope. Close to England.
Ireland.
Ireland.
Scotland.
Scotland.
Their number one drink is Iron
Iron Brew. Yeah.
Everywhere else in the world, it's Coca-Cola. I love that fact. So, yes, you've got some sons. So you're out in the garden pottering and doing
Yep.
bits and pieces.
I am.
Mum is just drawing a pair of trousers to make a pattern to make herself more trousers. And I'm going to be editing.
I'm going to go and nick chocolate.
We need... Well, do you want to have a peruse of what I've got left of my deliciousness from Germany and Nimue? And Mum, do you want to come and do your thumbnail? I mean, she doesn't, but...
Used to do.
Well, just in a minute. Good boy.
I suppose we need a dog as well. Hello. We have a dog too.
Everybody is very busy. Dad has picked out the... Oh gosh, that was the one that I didn't even attempt to pronounce, but they do look very delicious.
Yep.
You can rustle away now. We'll have a taste test on camera. Would you like one, Mum?
Mm.
Ooh.
Long bite.
Well, the smell, wonderful. Feel that.
Oh. Mmm.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Mm.
Go on then, try it.
Mm. They like chocolates.
They do. Marzipan and ginger.
Mm. Mm.
Mm.
Mm. Man.
I'll take these up to the house. You want a couple for outside?
Mm.
Okay.
Mm, they're lovely.
They are nice.
Vlogmas approved. I'm trying to think of the yeah. Dad's giving himself a little stash.
You're welcome. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. And
They're
thank
gorgeous.
you. Yes.
Mm.
Well, this is good. Right, so I am, like I say, going to go back up to the main house and get days 21 and 22 done and uploaded today. And then I'm going to start working on this one so that you will see it on the 23rd and I'll be back on time again. Dad's heading out. I'll let him head out and make noise. So, what was I saying? I can't remember.
What you were going to do?
The brain area is left just... The building is just... Okay, what was I saying? I was saying something specific.
You're going to go up and...
Edit so that I'm back on track. Oh yes, so yes. Oh god, the flow's gone. Never mind.
Start again.
Yeah. Oh, I really miss my brain. At the times I wasn't overly happy with it because it was a bit silly, but I miss it. I don't know where it's gone, but I would like it back, please. Thank you very much. But yes, I am going to go and try and edit some stuff, and then I'm coming back down here later to cut out some interfacing for projects for a certain somebody who has promised to give me the sewing room all day tomorrow, which is exciting, except that I am going food shopping with you to pick up.
To do that, or would you?
Yeah, no, I want to come to Arthur Brown's.
good.
Yes. No. We've ordered our Christmas lamb, chipolatas, stuffing and sausage meat because I'm making sausage rolls. Don't get impressed, I'm just using puff pastry, but there's a recipe that I found that I wanted to try. We're getting that all from Harvey Brown's. They're very fancy. So we're going to go and get all of our veg and some cheeses for a cheese board and bits and pieces like that. So yes, I would very much like to come, and then I'm going to be down here doing secret squirrel projects all day tomorrow, but that is tomorrow and I can only do that if I get on with what I need to get done today. So I'm going to go do that and I'll be back down here later to cut out some interfacing, which hopefully I will get to show you and not this one later.
A few moments later.
I am still in my dress, I promise. It's just really cold, but I am also a lizard, so I'm always cold. I have my salted caramel and clementine hot chocolate. Ooh, and I'm being beeped at by Morrison's of all people. That is a good one. That's a really good one. And I realised I didn't do a taste test on these little chocolate cubes. I think they're called dark chocolate dominoes according to Google Lens. I think Nimoy did try and tell me exactly what they were in the card that she sent me, but my brain is fogged again. But I know that they've got some apple in there. They're very nice, but I just brushed my teeth, so that's why I hadn't tried them down there when Mum and Dad did. But Happy Food Dance. I think those were like the traditional leaf cooking are my favourite. Those are the first to go, but yes, this is absolutely delicious. So a couple of you have been worried that there hasn't been any Vlogmas for the last couple of days, and it is actually just because I was trying to get that other video done, which I have done now. I've got 2 days to edit and upload today, and then you'll be seeing this tomorrow as far as I'm concerned, but today for you. So hopefully I should be back up to date, and then it's one more day. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. Christmas Eve. Kai has a door for the Christmas Day as well, so lucky little puppy. I am probably going to film on Christmas Eve for me because I have some stuff that I would like to show you guys that hopefully I will have ready for Mum and Dad as presents, and they'll be watching it and that'll go up on Christmas Day, so it will be legit for me to show it to you because Mum and Dad very kindly watch my Vlogmases to help with the help with the views. So yes, I think that's the plan. In my head that's the plan. Currently have crazy kittens running around behind me. Yeah, who knows, they keep walking over my keyboard and stepping on things, and I'm just like, what have you done and how have you turned the computer off? So that's fun. But yes, I am going to get on and get all of those things that I've just mentioned done. Couldn't recap if I wanted to, but probably shouldn't because I've just said them. So I will see you guys in a little bit. It is 7 o'clock. Well, it's 9 minutes to 7, and I do have my editing helper, but I've only just finished the 2 days of Vlogmas. I think I'm just the worst editor in the world. I don't know why it takes me so long, but apparently it does. I did not get back down to the sewing room to cut any of the interfacing out that I need to do for Mum's bag, but I can do that tomorrow. That's not the end of the world. I can get that bag done in about 6 hours, so it is a 1-day project. And then I do have 1 more day to do the couple of little things that I want to do for Dad. So I will be finished, even if this one is being helpful. But I wanted to come and remember to say goodbye to you this evening rather than just tail off with random... What are you doing, you weirdo? Yeah, rather than just tail off with like random little captions to say goodbye. So I'm gonna do things slightly differently next year, I think. Definitely calendars again, because they're so much fun, but I have a plan. It will involve a lot of pre-preparation, which we know I'm not overly good at, but I have many plans for next year. We'll see how they work. Anyway, I will see you all tomorrow for the final day of Vlogmas. Happy Gotcha Day for Kai, and possibly more kitten shenanigans, because this one is enjoying your company. I shall see you all then. Bye!